Yes, people, this is your girl Aleisha Lee and welcome back to another episode of Motivational Lee. On this episode, we will be looking at Law 34. Be royal in your own fashion. Act like a king to be treated like one. But before we get into that, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you are kept up to date each and every time I upload. And without further ado, let's get into this. This law is saying that the way you carry yourself will determine how you are treated. You want to make sure that in the long run that you are presenting yourself in a way to be treated well. If you were to appear vulgar or common, this will probably make people disrespect you. And for a king that respects themselves and inspires the same sentiment in others, you need to act in a way that will show that you're confident, that you have your power, and they will respect you more for that. Now, in order to apply this law, you will need to be very intentional about the way that you move. There are certain things that you do need to think about, such as what you are trying to do in the world, what type of respect you want to receive, and once you know those details, you are then able to present yourself in a way which will garner those results. To apply this law, whether you believe it or not, you have to maneuver as if you are a king or queen. You're more likely to be treated like one if you assume the position that a king or queen would, do things that they would do, present themselves how they would, in order for you to get that type of treatment. You can't expect king or queen treatment if you do not maneuver in that way. You're going to get the opposite. So if you are seeing that you're being treated in a way that you're not really feeling at the moment, have a look and see what it is that you can do, what things you can apply. And also you have to have that belief in yourself. A lot of it is not really what other people do. It's more how you feel about yourself. And that is a reflection of how people will treat you. The more you empower yourself, the more you believe in yourself, and the more you understand and realize who you are and you are powerful, people will also see that as well. Now, the more you do this, the more you will find that those things that you felt will fade away. Those feelings that you felt where you weren't worthy will start to fade because you're now tapped in and understand how powerful you really are. This law is saying do what you need to do, believe in yourself, and you have to act like it to be treated like one. Even if you don't feel that right now, if you act and maneuver in that way, those results are going to come to you. You need to move royal in all parts and areas of your life, and that way, that's how you'll get the respect. Even if things don't go your way, it's the way that you deal with it and the way that you react to it which will show the type of character that you are. But yes, people, that is it for this video. That was a summary of Law 34. Be royal in your own fashion. Act like a king to be treated like one. And that's exactly all you need to do. Just move regal, move royal, and that is the type of respect that you will get, and that is how you will be treated as well. Just basically, all this law is saying is just treat others how you would like to be treated. In the next video, we will be looking at Law 35. Master the art of timing. Make sure you have a great week. Stay blessed. Hit the like button, hit that subscribe button. Let people know what we've got going on over here, covering the 48 laws of power. Let's keep it going, keep it pushing. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, let everybody know what we've got going on over here. Have a great week. Stay blessed. And yeah, I will catch you in the next video. Don't know. Boy.
People don't know. I just want to